Okay, today we're going to install the JL Designs integrated smoke-through taillight to replace the OEM one. Let's get started. Alright, first we're going to go ahead and remove the rear seat. And we're going to use a pretty small flathead to remove the push pins right here. Pull up on the cowl piece. Then we're going to take a 4mm to remove this back piece. Then we're going to take these two pop rivets out right here. Then we're going to gently press on the side and remove the clip. And we can go ahead and pop our taillight out. Just like that. There we go. Next we're going to grab this black and white plug. We're going to unplug those. Those are your left and right turn signals. Alright, all unplugged. Next we're going to fish our left and right turn signals through. Pop those right back in the grommets. Voila. Make sure our holes line up. Now we're going to plug in the main plug and the left and right turn signal. We're going to go yellow to white, blue to black. Alright, we're all hooked up. Now we're going to do a quick test before we button everything up. Left, right, brake. Now we're going to button everything back up. We're going to go ahead and put the clips back in their mounts, and we're going to go ahead and add a zip tie here. And we're all set. One quick daylight test. And we're all set.